Welcome to new Python series, guys. In this video we are going to see what is variable and how to create a variable and variable rules, and finally what is multiverse variable names. So let's get started. Let's talk about variables first. Variable is a reserved memory location to store values, which means it's a container for storing data values. Let's look at this picture. We have three variables here: x, y and z. On the right side we have 5 to 7. These three are all its values. How do I create a variable? Well, in Python we have no command for declaring a variable, which means a variable is created at the moment when we first assign a value to it, and we can use a single letter to represent a variable. We have some rules for variable names. Variable names may contain letters digits 0 to 9 or the underscore character, and variable names must begin with the letter from A to Z or underscore character, and variable names cannot start with a number, and variable names are case sensitive. Variable names with more than one word can be difficult to read, so we can use this method to make them more readable. Let's talk about camel case first. Each word except the first one start with capital letter. And next, Pascal case, which is each word start with capital letter. And finally we have a snake case, which is each word separated by an underscore character. That's all for this quick video, guys. I hope if you like this video, make sure subscribe and share our videos to everyone that you know. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.